See? Just think about it for a minute. Because we are cussing the same did want papers. Come on, people. Come on, people. Just think. Just think for a minute. America, him want go. Him mother the America. Him baby the America. Him baby mother the America. Queenie the England.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
So it was not long ago that Dewey traveled from Jamaica to the UK to be with his wife, Queenie. And there was pandemonium on social media. Everybody was excited. Everybody was happy. Queenie in an airport and lift up Dewey and swing him. Dewey a jump on Queenie back. And it was just lone excitement up until now. Social media is excited once again, but this time it's not so happy because Queenie and Dewey, I think them separated or break up. And one heap of drama go on, and everybody on social media is weighing in on the topic. Everybody has their say. But Richie feelings there right now. Richie feelings that say, people, mind no own business. Leave Queenie and her husband alone. Don't pick side. Because when Queenie and Dewey head lay down Pampila, none of we no in there. So uno don't pick side because you never know. They might make up next week. And a uno look shame. I may agree with Richie feelings. But anyway, we are going to hear where Richie have to say right here. So check it out.
Now watch this. From yesterday, I see Queenie post or something and I say she and her husband in them something. Which is not the first, it's not the last person who is going to go through that. May I watch it? And I see Queenie go to man come out and she go on with a bag of thing. And I kind of understand. Queenie vex, Queenie hurt. Because Queenie have keep in whole heap and never did let out everything. See? I not come to talk about them relationship because you will shame. Remember them are husband and wife. Remember them married. Them now got us divorced, so them will separate this week and then next week them gone back. So Queen make sure I tell her that she not bad. She just a cuss because she hurt. Zane? I just tell you something right now. All I signed them did in every relationship. All of the sign them was there in every relationship. Everyone. Every sign did there. The angry side did there. The hungry side did there. The bad side did there. The good side did there. Every side did there. We now live with them. Through them, document everything. Through them, document everything. She just say, me have to come out because I watch this now. I listen to enough of the live. I don't watch everything, but I listen to enough of the live. See? First thing, age barrier is a difference. Queenie a big woman. Him a big man. Yes, she 20 years older than him. See? Because him a 32 and she a 50, whatever. See? Yes, everybody did know that. When me hear Queenie say 2 days before the wedding them war. That is a big sign right there. So 2 days before the wedding them war. See? Big sign. And I'm going to tell you this again. When you are going in a relationship, you never go in there with your mother, your father, your sister, your brother. You're going there with you and the man going there with you. So the two are going to go in it with each other. See? Two person going at it. You are the one who are going to make your family come in there if you want your family come in there. And you are going to want your family come in there. Because we don't have no mother never did it, no father never did it. See? And again, Queenie and her husband treat them loud and everybody. Whosoever laugh, don't laugh. No laugh. No laugh. Queen is shame and she's embarrassed because she's a wally in wally. See? She did a wally in wally because she know we are going behind the closed door with the in-law them and all of the people them we are create page and I do all of the something them. She know all of that. But when me I try to tell you say, leave them alone, make them work out to them and work out. Because we were shame. When Queenie did there with Ziggy, and Ziggy go away and have next girl, she did come out, come tell you and she go ball to the cow. Remember, Dewey come out of the house, they were still there in England. See? And we will be shamed. So don't quick to show Dewey under the bus. Dewey goes a bam and show one cocoa like right or so and say Queenie bust up him head. Queenie come back and say, yes, she lick him because him this and him that and him that. So them have a toxic relationship. Two people in a toxic relationship now just get up and left. So the two of them will come back and come trace way. So all we have to do, listen and watch it. Watch it play out. That is all we have to do. I know enough of the big woman them up on the page hate him and not like him because you know say Queenie genuinely love him. Queenie have a good heart. Remember, you know, Queenie have a good heart. Once she loves you, she'll give you everything what she have. We know how she stay. Remember, say this is the woman that changed up her life, you know. We know Queenie as a woman where she met the media by a shoplift use a shoplift. And man a spit off her and she a spit back off of the man and all of them something there. See? She toned down her thing and everybody knows that Queenie the one married. When you look back on that wedding, look how the woman did happy. Look on her makeup, look how her face, look how she look happy. Look how she happy. So she genuinely wanted to marry. See? And Dewey could have said him never bother want married. All the day of the wedding, him could have left she alone up at Elsha. Him never do it. So him have to have some form of feelings for her. Him have to have some form of feelings for her. Because him jump on her back. Him flick over in her bed. Him go on with all kind of something. So I don't believe it's a pretend thing. I don't believe it's a pretend thing. See? Him never did a pretend. Me nah go say him did a pretend. Me nah go say that. Me nah go say him did a pretend. But I go and say one thing. He might not love Queenie like how Queenie love him. I remember, me don't know the baby mother situation. Me know say him have a youth. And if a man really love him youth, anything with them youth against him with the youth, it have a hurt. See? But it's best when you can talk about things. See? It's best when you can talk about things. Because if me here say, me nah go see my son unless me leave a woman. Me have to come out and come talk. Because me love me pitney and I want to see my pitney. Me have to come ball out to the public. Me have to come ball out to the public. Me nah go keep it on the wrap for too long. Because once you love your youth, you know. Because me say them thing enough time. I say them thing enough time. Enough people hold on to things and make the child get involved. See? And if a father really love him youth and want to see him youth, he might go hurt. But if he just get up and then show that woman that where they fear through thin and thin, it not going to look good. Remember, you know? I just say one and two things because I don't want to say me pick a side. I don't want to say me pick a side because I don't pick a side. Because let me tell you this. When two head go up on pillar and then two Queenie go say, Dewey, my June plum. You never hear when Richie feelings it say re. And then him go say, my Queenie, whoa. And then trace me and the two of them come gang me and fight me. I not deal with that. See? I not deal with that. So I just couldn't know say it's a situation where nobody know to laugh. Don't laugh because it can happen to anybody. And a lot of women jump up and say them now go married to a man for bring a man from Jamaica. And you know no feelings. Me know say no found go through it already. And the man come and it never work out. And then I say every man at Jamaica stay so. Don't do that. Do me a beg you no. Don't do that. No found it upon this bitter and sour. No found it upon this bitter and sour. Don't bother put Queenie thing and phone thing because when you come on and you cuss and you say, oh, all me licky mother-in-law. Remember, say you didn't know say she licky long time from she call you and beg you the first $50. Or the first £50 or the first 50 Canadian. You didn't know a long time. So nobody true things don't work out now. You have to come on and say, yo, you hate mother-in-law, you don't want no more mother-in-law. You did love your mother-in-law. You did love your mother-in-law so much. I was the best mother-in-law to you. I'll barrel your son and everything. So all of a sudden now you don't like no mother-in-law. I hurt your hurt. So you still a hold on upon that hurt because you did truly love the boy and the boy never love you. You try buy love and it don't work. See? So, me no want to get up and come talk about this and that and that and that. Don't burn out doing neither. Don't burn him out because he's in a situation. Him genuinely married Queenie and on the papers he married her for. Make me shame then for say that. Make me shame for say that, say him genuinely married her. Make me shame. Because remember, since him baby mother they have America. See? And him mother they America. If him mother file film, don't file it can still go through same way. Remember when you hold a filing take longer, take up to 10 years. So as simple as you see it, you know. As simple as you see it, a 2 year the place locked down, you know. See? I remember we're in a 2022 now, you know. So if it take 10 years and a whole heap of little thing I got change up and rare. So if the filing gone through long time, the filing soon come through. So when BA people get up and talk about the papers they do, I know England him want go. I know England him want go, America him want go. So me I listen to the whole of and say papers him do and papers him do. Think no? Think. You just think for a while and I say papers him do. Just think for a while. Just sit down and think. I know England him want go. America him want go. So when you not go say papers him da run down. I know England papers him want. If you want to go a Queenie. If you want to go a Queenie. Remember, you know, not for the things that my Queenie do. And every man can tolerate that. See? Just think about it for a minute. Because we are cussing the same they do on papers. Come on, people. Come on, people. Just think. Just think for a minute. America, him want go. Him mother the America. Him baby the America. Him baby mother the America. Queenie the England. See? So why you not gonna say a papers if you want Queenie for? Queenie nice. Queenie buy 2 car. Queenie I'll give him all a car. See? So him get car. Remember say Queenie been a year about him and woman and rare. Queenie come out and say, yes, him a have woman. And him a got this and she will carry woman go give him. And if him want more pitney, Queenie have to line up him get pitney because Queenie not have no more pitney. See? So everybody will say papers. No, make him stop the papers. Stop the papers. Only now see. If him really love him baby mother. See? This is just my take. If he really love his baby mother, he will go back down to Jamaica go wait for her. Because you see your first love what you love and not get over, you have to try everything to make it work. See? You have to try everything. So, I just that me a show no. So, alright. Him get him landing for coming. Remember say, we see him one. Hear me say, we see him one. Say, him never did ever get no papers. See? And we see him one did say him never did get no papers. Boom! Queenie could have come out and ball out and say, yes, do we get the papers? And when him reach England. When him reach England. She video it. See? Do it. Alright. Remember me I tell you say, we not cuss, do we? I mean not cuss Queenie. It's just a sad situation. It's a sad situation for us know say Queenie happy when time she and do it good. Because remember the sign them there, you know. She love him. She love him and when she love hard. And when her daughter dead, she just say she a grieve and she have man problem. You know how that act? She a grieve and have man problem. She a tell us say, yo, I want to talk to him and him not talk to me. Me I tell you one thing when I'm glad say never happen. Me I tell you one thing when I'm glad say never happen. I'm glad say Queenie never stab him. I'm glad say Queenie never stab him. I'm glad say Queenie just lick him with something. See? I'm glad say Queenie never stab him because guess what? When time people scorn, hell have no fury like a woman's scorn. You say if Queenie feel like her, she feel like everybody against her now, you know. She feel like me against her. She feel like you against her. She feel like everybody against her, you know. See? So, if she feel like say everybody against her and she say, look how you make be a people a laugh off of me. Look how you make me shame. You know so she can kill him? You know so she can kill him? She can't kill him, you know. Or she could have killed him, you know. Because watch this. Everybody I laugh. And I say, this you forget, this is the sign long time. Rare, this, that. And she cuss him. And every time she cuss him, she say, I love him. I love him. But I don't want him. I love him. I honor him. I cherish him. I do everything. And she tell her because she really love this man and want the best for him. But again, when I want to hold on to remember, two people fight for something. Not one. Two people have to want the same thing. You could have cussed till you're blue. You could have fight yourself. You fight it because when one person say me, God go with you. Me not nothing with you. Me not nothing with you. Do in a situation where them a tell him to choose between him family or Queenie. Him not see him pitney. That's why we are here. Him not see him pitney. The big cussing and bash go on with Queenie and the baby mother. Him not see the youth. See? That's what we see. We can't talk for everything. See? That's what we are see. If them are going to tell us if you choose, you're supposed to be a man and choose to be a man. See? And families were in a similar situation and not talk like Queenie, do me a favor. Love your family, but remember when to distance yourself from your family. Because at the end of the day, your family cannot make you happy. Nobody no force nobody to do nothing. Nobody no force nobody to do anything. Big 30-year-old man make him own decision. Big 50-year-old man make her own decision. Nobody and a baby. See? Somebody just tell you no found in a similar situation and married because only did one married. Only did one married. Yes, you say you want to give the man a better life, but somehow you choose to down the yard and lonely. And you want somebody to be a man figure because you don't work so hard. And you don't cook regular, and you want somebody to cook for. You don't want somebody to cook for. And you want somebody to wash clothes for. Because you don't do your own laundry. Somehow you have 4 pitney and you pitney them big now. Big 30-year-old and big 20-year-old and live on them own. So you alone living in your big 3-bedroom and you work and you pay much rent. And you say you want a man. So the first man will say, first man will go so, and go so, and go so, psst. First man will go so and wave to you right away. Oh, I'm so wet. See? I'm so wet. Because remember this, you know, you will just meet a person today, and that person that give you a feeling where you never get in a life yet, you know. And you said, Jesus Christ, so I feel so, that girl feel, hey, that girl make me feel so good, she make me feel like I want to fly. Hey, me go do 3 backflip and 2 somersault, you know. And that's so me I say, oh, that girl, I just meet that girl last night, and that girl make me feel so. Hey, me chuck off down a wharf, you know. Yo, oh, that, and I saw you go on. Y'all put on all your cooking clothes, your apron, and your something, and put on your cooking clothes, and I say, yo, I steak me go cook for that girl and bake baby back ribs. You never cook them things from your band, and I use that on YouTube, see ya? Yeah, where you put it? Put it for marinate, so. And put it for where, so. Y'all go and buy all the cooking something them. And you go and with a bag of thing. But that's the way the person make you feel at the time. The person make you feel the way they at the time. Because remember, you know, everybody are going like them a stone. Nobody on a stone. Nobody is no stone. Nobody on a stone. Nobody on a stone. You hear me say? Nobody on a stone. People make you feel certain type of way. And when you feel a way, they say, Jesus Christ, be nice. Dirty people who the begs for find love. See, you start just different and go on different. But it's when that person they go some and rub you the wrong way, you just do like what Queenie say, move your picky head. Go your maga like piece of stick. And And the same thing. Let me say that girl, she not even look good. Watch her. Be your makeup, she paste on her face. The makeup not even put on good. That girl move your and deep down inside your becks. Cause you say, look how that girl come make me feel. I know that girl make me feel away. The girl give me all kind of emotion and stress me out. Hey girl, move your back. Are you ready for war the girl? And when the girl say, babes, why you go ask her, see her melt. Melt. Melt, you melt now, you know. Because she said, then babes, so where you go answer for? I go call you babes. Long time more the girl call me babes and the girl now call me babes. A lie me I tell. A lie me I tell. You know me not tell no lie. Remember, I tell you no woman all the while, no found and I like it. You will want to try with a youth, but try with a youth who have ambition. Try with a youth who do something for himself. If a youth are 35 and 40, and my mother still paying bills them, make him mother continue paying bills them. Because he might expect you to do the same thing when mother do. Him not go want to work. Him not go want to do nothing at all. His mother still take care of him. So if him a 40 and his mother still take care of him, if him a 30 and his mother still take care of him, wholly and solely. His mother pay the light, his mother pay the water. Mommy, the light bill Joe. Mommy no food in the house. Mommy no soap in the house. Mommy no this, mommy no that. And then him turn from mommy to Angela. Babes, the soap done. Babes, the toilet tissue done. Babes, definitely you take a worthless cocky. You take a worthless cocky and make your front you rule you. You make your front get the best of you. Because you think with your front and not with your heart. And your front you think with all you can say, the boy can. So you go some man take up this boy and bring him a foreign. And you bring him a foreign and expect say him a go change. You can't expect the people a go change. You have to allow people to be themselves. You have to leave people to be themselves. You want to fall in love with worthless hood. And then you want to vex with worthless hood chest out and mad you know. And make you walk and a kick pan. You all name all dirt. Eh? You not eat all ants. Zane, my baby mother, don't know say I show me attack. Remember this, you know. When I hear a woman come on and she say, I mind him. I take care of him. I do everything for him. When did I do for himself before you meet him? When did I do for himself? What was he doing for himself? Like, tell me. Remember, you know, don't make enough of them girl up on the internet trick, you know, and talk about, oh, me not do this for no boy, me not do this. Lie them a tell. You hear me say? Lie them a tell. Don't follow enough of them girl I want to see come on the internet and attack and beat them chest and a ray. You know why I rate Queenie? Because Queenie real. Queenie real. There is so much and little but what you can hold in. You hear me say? Queenie real. Somehow not suffer. And then, remember, you know, Queenie got 1 year and add. The marriage not over yet. As what I say worse than that on the internet. And now people live happily ever after. Remember the rocky part of this. That part of it have to come. You hear me say? That part of it have to come. If Dewey want to put everything aside, him and Queenie can work it out. So don't jump up. Don't jump up because we're not going to shame again. So just watch the festivities. Just do like everybody. Do like me and just not have no comment. Just do like me and just say, you know what? Because me can tell you this right now. If Dewey right now, Queenie will call him down. If Dewey, if you show you him phone right now, 37 times, Queenie call him already. In the last 10 minutes. Queenie call him enough time. Because her husband and she love him. And she want him. Because she said she don't want him in the house. But say when we ignorant, we talk all kind of things. You hear me say? All we have to do is just watch the festivities. We could just watch it. Which episode we reach? We reach the mother segment now. We got the baby mother segment already. So we reach the mother segment and the separation segment. Remember, say I'm not even 24 hours yet, you know. I'm not 24 hours yet. You hear me say? I get my Joe Plum, I'm falling, and I mean it, I'm calling, me are the Queenie, Get me Jew plum. Remember when you hear that? You better sing along. You hear me say? Just sing along. Me get my Jew plum. I'm feeling. Yeah, my Queenie. I'm feeling. Yeah, my Jew plum. My Jew plum. I'm ball out. You understand? So just listen to the June Plum song and just know say I saw it go. See it? We have to just know say I just saw life go. Me no condone no beating of no man. Me no condone no beating of no woman. People can work out them differences and make it. See it? Them supposed to can make it work. Because when we did a day, we never did a war. So why we feel left and then we a war and I fling big stone off of one another and I talk about, oh, member say, I be a shit in my underpants. Member say, me can't wipe my body good. And why you come out and tell the whole world say me can't wipe my body good? Just show me your decks. You see to look skid mark in my brief and you wash it and then I come complain and then I take picture and I send it to give the world. Me not like that. Me not like that. You can't do me that. You see me? Me not like that. And then you see one when time me make up back. And you see one still I wash it same way. And then you say, boy, I'm a husband. I'm a husband. I'm a husband. And I script your husband shitty boxers. Move from there. Go ahead. You see what me I tell you about around the wicked. You see how I laugh. You see how I laugh. Go on laugh. Me go on the joke. Eh? Don't laugh off of me. Cause it's the truth I'm speaking. See? So as I say, Queenie, drink like water. One call long do it 37 times. Then call him 37 more times, car. Do it head no mad, your head mad. See? And for all of the family members, them we are go through similar situation like Queenie and Dewey under the quiet, do me a favor. Don't listen to your son or listen to your daughter. Don't get involved. As long as them not stab up them one another and chop up them one another, don't get involved. You understand? Or just that me I try to tell you now. No for no woman on the internet or say no want a man and me looking at the comment them because I know say they on live you go look for who a comment. And I know for me see a comment and I talk about you rather stay single. Move your breath. You wicked and lie. But you rather stay single. You want a man. Why you hungry to the alone you want to stay single? True you see Queenie and her man in a problem. Where you feel like say you go get the perfect man. And one perfect man you go get another blow up dolly. I come talk about you rather stay single. You think Rose can give you where a man in a give you. Rose make you feel like a pleasure, but Rose can hug you up. And the blow up dolly can hold you. Wicked and lie, no found. Me soon over there comment. Me soon over there. I talk about, oh, that's why me would have never send for a man from Jamaica. Tell the people them say 5 man you try send for already. Tell them. Tell the people them say 5 man you alone try send for from Jamaica already. Like your immigration. Tell the people them that. Bun me for somehow when you say, you're not ready for just done and done with everybody and talk about, oh, that's why me, the dirty man, them a Jamaica. Me not like them. Me say the whole of them are some set of drunk crow. Go make your man. Go and go make your man. You go make the perfect man. Tell the people them say 4 times you're married already. Because you don't go there if you just say, I add fuel to fire. Yes, Queenie. Left him. Left him, Queenie. Left him, Queenie. Everybody will say, I hope them work it out. Me like you know. Everybody will say that. Everybody will say that. Everybody will say that. Una reason logics. But nobody come crucify the youth and I come talk about the papers in the one. Because again, me I tell you no, the youth didn't want to come to England. The youth don't want to come to England. America him want go. And him reach England. And him come to England and him have on him winter jacket and him jump on Queenie back and Queenie carry him all about. And him go here, there and everywhere. Right? So uno bitter girl. Me know uno vex. But love come with pain. And the girl a go through her pain. The big woman a go through her pain right now. So leave the woman, make she go and go through her pain. Just help her grieve, help her bawl, help her go through all her something. See it? Because she emotionally damaged right now. Let me tell you why she damaged. Let me tell you why she vex and damaged. Remember saying, no, 2 years ago, or 3 years ago, she had talked to a man named Ziggy. She and Ziggy go all of the nice places. Because one thing is Queenie travel more than enough away. Queenie travel more than enough away. Queenie enjoy Jamaica more than me. Queenie like go on the hillside. Queenie like go out a whole heap of something. See, all that people have problem with. Oh, she can't go to Jamaica, so a job she carry. Share this and share that. See, and she re. See, and she goes to Bamande there with this man here. She knows say me have a woman in America, and she knows say me have a woman in Canada. She know all of this. See? And she goes to Bam, and she come ball, and she run to the cow, and she ball to the cow. See? And the cow them never cuss her. But when she come on the internet, uno cuss her and take it and chastise the woman and do all kind of thing. All of we go through problem. Remember, girl, for me, I'm a vex. I never beat a woman. And I said, Jesus Christ, to come and love that girl. Yo, God, no, the girl wicked to me. Yo, the girl make load of man blacks from a town. I'm a vex. I mean, I come to the internet, come ball. I just cuss with my friend them. I mean, my friend them cuss. And them say them hate the girl. See, I'm say me hate the girl too. I still call the girl 37 times. Because I say the girl, call the girl 37 times, one time she answer 38. When she answer the 38th time, I say, girl, I saw you wicked if you make load of man blacks. And cat man there, hey girl, Richie fees up, hey girl, where? Alright, Richie later, I hang up na my ears. Call her 37 more time. Call her 37 more time, you know. Girl, no answer, block me, peep. Block me. Borrow 10 people phone, call her. 37 more time, I give me 10 people phone. Zane, girl now answer no number. Go up on Facebook, text the girl. Sash, I really saw it, I go. Look how long me there. Jesus. Richie, leave me alone. Richie, leave me alone. Let me chip. Richie, leave me alone. How am I leave you alone? Block me again. Y'all block me from everything, yo. God no. You know me the people. I'm ball. Zane, give a ball, cuss the girl, reach at the girl yard. And I knock down the girl zinc gate. 37 times me and knock down the girl zinc gate. I'm gonna come out. Richie, she not here. The mama wicked. Me hate the mama too. Richie, she not here. She not here, Richie. Mommy, here what? After, right? Let me tell you it go. Come here, mommy, may I have a talk. I can't come inside. Me used to could have pull gate and go in. You used to could have pull gate, me ask mommy. Mommy can come inside and say something to you a little bit. No, Richie, better you stay outside. Stay outside, Richie. Talk to the man and say, mommy, look into this, right? Remember, you know me love your daughter, right? You know me love your daughter. My daughter, look how me cheat her daughter. Mommy, I say me cheat her daughter good. Yes, me say cheat her good, Richie. So mommy, how she do me this? Mommy, I married me, do I marry the daughter? My daughter, I make plans for have youth. Come say me want 2 more youth. Remember, me have to name them for the picnic. Me have to call my daughter Swabitel. And call my son Chips Eye. I 2 picnic, me say me want mommy. And mommy go somewhere look pan time every minute I look pan her. And Richie me talk to you, me have my pot pan fire. 12 o'clock at night, mommy say she have pot pan fire. No, mommy, I hold on pan mommy every minute. Mommy, hear me, I say no, mommy. Just tell her if you call me, mommy. Tell her if you call me. Alright, Richie, me I go make she call you. As me I go out the door. Me I want you. Lick me chip again. Hey, girl, you dead. Flick 2 stone in the yard. You're the mother who me just attack too nice and calm. Me I lock you up. You saw you flick stone in the yard. Me I call police. Richie a stalker. Let me chip you. God no. Them wicked boy ya. Them wicked to me people. I'm ball out. Jesus Christ. Cause after mommy there I hold it in me good, you know. And I say, yeah, Richie, you're good youth and everything. As me tell mommy say later that the girl come out. Me no want you to buy. Fling a big stone, put them inside. I need that I look for stone. Me I look for a stone in the darkness. Tell back a canal, I look for stone in the darkness. So me look. And think a stone me take up. Dark shit. Me and shit up. Yo, Jano. It don't look good. It don't look good. Because me I look for stone me fling that the woman yard. Me I look for stone me fling that the woman yard. Me take it out. A big load of dark shit me take up. All of me and shit up. Disinfectant, pine action, triple action, every action. Me mash up. Don't do like me, people. Walk away with grace. Save yourself with trouble. It's a nice. Jesus Christ. Now go on a girl yard later night and try to take up the stone. You will take up shit. You don't laugh off of me. That's how life go. All we go through it sometime. All we go through it sometime. You hear me say? All we go through it. You see how I laugh and me I tell you to laugh. Stop laughing, man. Stop laugh. Oh, stop laugh. No laugh. No laugh off of me. Do. Me a good youth. Just always remember. Uncle licky mama I go against her daughter. And uncle licky mama I go against her son. I'm telling you this. All of the man them will follow me. Better you be a girl clown. It's better you be a girl clown. You hear me say? Better you be a girl clown. You have to take care of woman. And get woman on the things. And know if you love woman. And treat them good. Make sure you treat them good. That means that at the end of the day, night come down, you have to treat woman good. You have to buy woman rose. You have to give woman chocolate. You have to buy woman pastry. You have to give woman all of the nice something them. You understand? You have to do all of the nice things them. Some want to talk about you don't do nothing for no woman. If your woman a wash, and you see your woman, and she have wash all heap of clothes, help her hang up the sheet them. Because remember the sheet them have to spread out on the line. So, you understand? Say, hang up the sheet them. Nobody follow some of them man here. I talk about my mother will do this and my mother will do that. They want when your mother dead. You can't go and stay there. Not if I want to wish you need to have a man like call me right now. Remember, I can't cook, you know. Yeah, me help on the wash. I ain't gonna put the clothes. You can't stay there. I'm married already. I'm divorced now. I remember me have some different wife. Me have my Africa wife. Me have my China wife. Me have my Asian wife. Me have all type of wife. You understand? And me are the best baby father in Jamaica. You understand? All the kids them love Richie. Of course. Scripts to panty and go on with the something them. Scripts and go on with the something them. Yeah, what you mean? Of course. You can't worry about what people have to say at times like this. Don't watch what people have to say. Remember this, let me tell you something. All of we sit down and worry about what social media have to say. Stop worry about social media. Worry about what you think. You hear me say? Worry about what you think and stop worry about people. Stop worry about the internet because the internet can be cruel and it can be kind. The internet is there and you put out where you want the internet to see. Now what I worry about internet? You know what people not follow nobody and them well off, them better off in a life. While you have some people have to show say them just buy a Bridget. You have to have some people say them just buy a 70-inch wet and wavy. Them just buy a Peruvian. Them just buy a Malaysian. Them have to show the internet that can nobody not go see it if them not put it up. You understand? Remember, don't worry about the internet. It can make and break you. Remember, so we don't live all the way on this. Over 30. WhatsApp get popular in about, what, 2010, so? Instagram come out 2012. And now Instagram big. We have Twitter long time. But not everyone we follow up Twitter. Twitter was for uptown people until we jump around there. Instagram are for everybody. Uptown, ghetto, everything. And how you use the internet, you know. You can promote your front. You can promote your mouth. You can promote clothes. Remember this, you know. Enough sexy news to go on pan it until them have them think they are sensitive now. You can't post them nudity there again, you know. You can post your business. You can do all of them something there. Where you want to do. And where you put out, the people have a take from you. Everybody knows a mix-up sell. Why you think the Queenie have 15,000 people over her life? Because people want to hear her business. And she want, and them want to hear she had done her husband. Them want to hear them something there. So all the Christians, them are going to go over there and say, oh my God, this is not my thing, you know, but let me listen for a bit. This is my, in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. This is not right. But let me look at it for a business. Let me look at it for a minute. I don't even have my earpiece. I'm doing the people in work, but let me see what Queenie going on with. All month you look back Queenie page, but all of a sudden Queenie and our man not problem. You're the Christian woman. Let me go over there in Jesus' name. Let me go over there and say a good prayer for Queenie, not a prayer. Mix up your love. Not a prayer, not a prayer for Queenie. A Queenie business you want to hear. You want to hear she cuss and say, move your picky, and that you want to hear Queenie say, move your maga sticky, and that you want to hear. My Jew plum, I'm a Queenie, you're my Queenie, I'm gonna feel it. You are my Jew plum, my Jew plum, mwah, Queenie, Queen wave. Say pussy good, say the pussy fat. Say the man them love to see a lot of that. Say the girl is coming like a summer sap. Them I wonder if I really queen that. Them I wonder if I really queen that. Full of chat, that, and that you don't want to hear. You don't think you don't want to hear about Jesus love me this I know. Move from there. Go ahead. You don't know what you want to hear. A lie?
Hey, I want him with Richie feelings, you know. The man is a comedian when he talk still. I only laugh to me get out of Richie feelings still when he talk. But anyway, people, when you hear what Richie say, you agree with him? Talk to me in the comment section. Let me hear your feedback on this. Zane, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.